Hello, I am Dr. Helen Naggs, the Vice President for Personal Care, Global Research and Development for Nu Skin. Did you know the skin around your eye area is the thinnest on your body? It's approximately a third as thick as other facial skin. This means the thinness of the skin makes it so much more delicate and more prone to show discoloration. Even minor irritations or damage can make puffiness and under-eye bags more obvious. This is why the earliest signs of daily stress and aging appear here too, under your eye area. It's so important to take care of the skin around your eyes. That's why we developed ageLOC LumiSpa Accent. This new innovative attachment builds upon the LumiSpa movement technology, but it focuses on this really delicate eye area. It moves at that same great frequency and stimulates skin in the same way as the ageLOC LumiSpa, but the smaller rotational angle design makes ageLOC LumiSpa Accent a perfectly gentle way to target the skin around the eyes. The tip, made of the gentlest silicone available, has a unique topography with offset peaks and valleys. You'll see that when you look at it. It oscillates back and forth to precisely move the skin without overstimulating the sensitive skin. ageLOC LumiSpa Accent is paired with the ageLOC LumiSpa Idealize. This is a topical eye cream that cushions between the tip of the accent and the skin, creating that optimal grip and slip for the device and for magic things to happen. This effective eye cream was specifically developed to maximize the benefits of accent and features key ingredients that target the skin around the eye area. So let's talk about some of those key ingredients now. Of course, we have our ageLOC proprietary blend. This is our anti-aging complex that targets the sources of aging to preserve the look of youth. That's really important. Then we have plankton extract. This extract is rich in amino acids. So amino acids are essential building blocks and components of healthy, youthful looking skin. It can help decrease the appearance of pigmentation in the under eye area, visibly increase skin tonicity, and support the skin's natural recovery process. Skin Brightening Complex. This blend of plant oils and minerals reflects light and helps make your eyes appear brighter. Antioxidant Complex protects the skin against daily environmental stress. And something that we find naturally in the skin, squalene, we've also incorporated this into Idealize. Squalene is naturally found in the skin lipid barrier, and it prevents moisture loss while restoring skin's suppleness and flexibility. There's peptide complex that helps firm the appearance and visibly tone delicate skin. And this is my personal favorite, tetrahexadecyl ascorbate. This is a stable but powerful form of vitamin C that has been well known for anti-aging benefits for lines, wrinkles and discoloration. That's something that we're really interested in improving around the eye area. It inhibits free radical damage and brightens the eye area. Lastly, caffeine, and this stimulates the skin around the eye area. So all of these key ingredients used with the LumiSpa Accent, this system will help deliver noticeable results, like fresher, brighter looking eyes in just 60 seconds. Softer, smoother and instantly hydrated skin that looks radiant. Eyes that look wide awake and refreshed, minimizing the appearance of tired, stressed skin. Reduced appearance of dark circles and visibly reduced puffy eyes and under eye bags. Visibly lifted and firmed eyelids and increased appearance of skin volume and density around the eyes. Together, this system, ageLOC LumiSpa Idealize and ageLOC LumiSpa accent unlock LumiSpa technology for your eye area.